So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Varun. In the last video we have discussed about lists. So now I'm gonna tell you about sets. Again guys, this data structures are very important when you are doing exploratory data analysis. You should have an idea about it. It is not necessary that need to know all the inbuilt functions inside this. Definitely the Google there to help you out. You should know how does it particularly data structure works. So let's start the video. So to begin with, if I want to create a set, what is set? Here there is a definition about set. A set is an unordered collection data type that is iterable, mutable, and has a no duplicate elements. Python has a class represents in a mathematical notion of a set. This is based on a data structure known as a host table. So first of all, we create an empty set by using set inbuilt function called as set itself, and I am printing this. So first I have created an defining empty set, and you can see here my set name is this set var. Then next I have used inbuilt function as a set. You can see here I didn't inform this anything. I just creating an empty set. Next I am printing this. You can see also print is an inbuilt function, and this you can see in the brackets I have entered my this list name set var. Then next I am also entered print type. I am asking this for print type, and the output was, you can see here, this is set of empty. You can see here this set is empty. Then next this type, which type it does, it's a class, which class, and it's a type of set. You can see here. Then next you can see same I have created set var. Then next in the set var set in the sets in the last video lists if list consider with this, how lists are, lists is considered with the square brackets. So next in this sets, flower brackets are most important in the sets. In the list there are square brackets. In the this sets, flower brackets are most important. So in this flower brackets I have entered with a double colons. You can see Avengers, Iron Man, the next Hitman. Same I am using inbuilt function as print. In this brackets I have given my list name. You can see here. Then I am asking for the type, which type it does. After you can see here output Hitman, Iron Man, Avengers, and the type is set. Then next same I have created some list set where same like set where which I have created a list. In this I have entered some numeric values. You can see here in between flower brackets. The next I have entered, you can see I have ordered in this I have entered 5 digits. The output was only 4 digits because the 3 is repeating double times. In this we have learned this no duplicate elements. You can see also 3 has repeated 2 times because that's why it considered only one time. That's why it's removed this 3 as a duplicate element. Then next we will learn how inbuilt function to insert, how to insert functions inbuilt. So next in this I have created only 3 names. If I want to modify this and after adding some extra information in this list, so I had used some this inbuilt functions like you can see here. Set var is my set name, and next dot if I use tab key, you can see this. There are add, clear, copy, difference updates, discard, intersection updates. You can see intersection and intersection updates or intersection and unions we used to study in college days in our max sets. You can know that if I use this command, you can see here after I am printing this my set word list, you can see here the Hulk was added in my list. You can see here I have added this Hulk into my list. So next, same in this, I have created set 1, like set 1 is Avengers, Iron Man, Hitman. The next 2, set 2 I have created same, like inserted some Avengers, Iron Man, Hitman, and also I have entered Hulk 2, some differences update. Using differences updates in inbuilt function, I find out that what is the difference in this. So next, first I have entered set 2 and dot. I have used inbuilt function like differences updates, and in this brackets I have entered set 1. What is the difference between set 1 and set 2? It is asking. So next I have printed set 2. You can see here in set 2 I have got this Hulk 2 because all in set 1 and set 2 there are similar names. These 6 names are similar in the set. That's why it has removed. You can see here no duplicate elements. So because that's why it is repeated 2 times, that's why it has removed, and we got only this output Hulk 2. So this is about sets, guys. I hope you all learned well this concept. If you need any particular topic, please comment down below. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Please share to your friends.